Greetings Earthlings. If there is a stable energy source in the cosmos, there is usually something that to transform or consume that energy. Stars provide glorious streams of pure electromagnetic energy, energy that can be easily condensed into a wide variety of material objects. Plants play a key role in the energy cycles that contribute to the formation of varying complex life. Plant life builds the foundation for ecosystems, which provide the transformed matter energy state that is required for creatures to exist. Using the photonic energy of stars, plants generate the malleable materials that are palatable to arising forms of complex life. Photosynthesis can be powered by a range of visible light, from deep violet through to the near-infrared. Star spectra highly affects plant structure and growth. Darker plants are more likely to thrive on planets in orbit around low-energy, M-type stars. The darker pigments within the plants allow for the absorption of a wide range of wavelengths. With minimal amounts of energy to utilize, the plants would need to absorb as much of the light spectra as is available. The habitability of a planetary body around a red dwarf star relies heavily on the proximity of its orbit. Although this close proximity provides a more stable stream of energy, it can cause tidal locking, which is non-beneficial to the formation of life. With red dwarfs being the most abundant and long-lived stars, the chance of habitable planets developing around them is high. The circumbinary planetary system that I am in provides a stable orbit, which is favorable to the formation of life. These lily-pad-like organisms are large and dark enough to thrive on the minute amounts of energy being emitted by the binary red dwarf stars. A binary system of white stars may produce an excessive amount of energy. If plants are to survive, they would need to have some sort of screening or reflecting mechanism in place, which can be determined by their color. The screening mechanism acts as a molecular interface, one that can harness moderate wavelengths of energy being emitted from the stars. Too much energy absorption may lead to tissue damage, while too little energy can lead to a lack of a photosynthetic reaction. The color origination of plants usually arises from a primal microbial state of life. Archaea, single-cell light absorbers, go through a variety of adaptations before they find their ultimate molecular state. A state that allows them to convert and absorb energy at high efficiency, in turn, leading to the proliferation of a specific molecule, which absorbs or reflects light in an equiposed way. In some planetary cases, multiple different molecular compounds may arise, leading to a range of varying colored photosynthesizing organisms. Atmospheric conditions also play a deterministic role in plant growth. The light that reaches the material of the plants first has to pass through a variety of molecularly differing atmospheric layers. Each of those atmospheric layers refracts the starlight, which acts as a primary filter that can amplify or reduce certain wavelengths of light. It is unlikely for a habitable planet to develop around bluish B or O type stars. Their numbers are few, their lifespans are short, and their habitable zones are hostile. Even if a planet sat at a further distance from its high-energy parent star, strong stellar winds are likely to strip the entire planet's atmosphere, if one could even develop. UNICOM artificially generated this beautiful world, which is nestled deep within the hyperdimensions of the ship. It is a celestial setup that is unlikely to occur under the natural circumstances of the external universe. UNICOM experiments with celestial bodies to find new habitable states. By using an artificially enhanced atmosphere and magnetic field, UNICOM shields the planet against harsh stellar winds. UNICOM has also extended the star's lifespan from mere tens of millions of years to billions, through stellar manipulation. Cherish the naturally forming plants that transform the energy of the stars into something that is beneficial for the development and survival of consciousness. Live limitless and adapt. Farewell, fellow beings.